Do you have a Sacagawea dollar and you're not sure how much money it's worth? In this video, I'm going to go over some incredibly rare Sacagawea dollars that are worth a lot of money. So these coins were initially heavily produced with nearly 750 million Sacagawea dollars struck into circulation. That's right, I said 750 million were produced. You know, these coins had a lot of enthusiasm and demand behind them before that quickly wore off, where the mintages fell to 5 to 6 million coins per year from 2002 forward. So 39 of these coins were produced that were struck with 22 karat gold. Now remember, these coins are typically not struck with gold whatsoever. These coins are typically minted with the majority of copper, a little bit of zinc, magnesium, nickel, and they weigh about 8.1 grams. But these 39 coins were again produced with 22 karat gold. So here's the story on these coins. 27 of them were melted and the remaining 12 were sent into space aboard the Columbia, returning to Earth 5 days later on July 22nd, 1999. So these coins have actually been out into space, these 12 coins. So after they landed, they were stored at the headquarters in Washington, D.C. Mint. Since then, they've been displayed single or all together only a handful of times. They actually thought about releasing these 39 coins to the public at some point, but later decided it would not be a good idea. That's why they ended up melting down 27 of them. If you didn't know, there were 5,500 Sacagawea dollars that were placed in Cheerio boxes back in the day. Now these 12 coins, since around August or September of 2001, these 12 proof coins were sent to the Gold Bullion Depository in Fort Knox, Kentucky. Nobody ever knows if they will ever sell these or produce them again, but it would be cool to see them, release these coins. These are valued by PCGS at over $150,000 if they were to grade at the 69 grade. I personally think they'd bring, in this market, I personally think they'd bring a lot more money than $150,000 if someone got their hands on them. But an extremely cool example. Again, these are locked down in Fort Knox, but you never know what can happen in the future. If you enjoyed this video, you'll definitely enjoy the video on the screen.